Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something we all struggle with at some point, comparing ourselves to others. Whether it's on social media, in the workplace, or even within our own families, the comparison game can rob us of our happiness. In this video, I'm going to share how you can stop comparing yourself to others and embrace your unique journey toward happiness. Let's dive in. Pushpin 1. Acknowledge that comparison is natural. It's important to recognize that comparing yourself to others is a natural part of being human. However, it's when comparison becomes constant and negative that it becomes unhealthy. Example: everyone has moments of comparison. For example, you might compare your career to a colleague's success. But the key is to acknowledge that everyone's journey is different, and no two paths are alike. Pro tip: shift your focus from comparison to admiration. Instead of feeling envious, see others' success as inspiration, not competition. 2. Social media isn't reality. We live in a world dominated by social media, and it's easy to get caught up in comparing our lives to what others share online. However, what we see isn't always the full story. Example: many people post only their highlights, vacations, promotions, happy moments, leaving out struggles or setbacks. Don't fall into the trap of thinking everyone else's life is perfect. Pro tip: take social media breaks if it negatively impacts your self-esteem. Remind yourself that you're only seeing a curated version of someone's life. 3. Practice gratitude for what you have. One of the most effective ways to stop comparing yourself to others is by practicing gratitude. When you focus on what you do have, your talents, achievements, and experiences, you build a sense of contentment. Example: instead of wishing for someone else's lifestyle, take time every day to appreciate the things you already possess, whether it's your health, family, or personal accomplishments. Pro tip: start a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This will shift your focus toward positivity and abundance. 4. Focus on your own growth. The key to happiness lies in focusing on your own progress instead of comparing yourself to where others are in life. Set personal goals and celebrate the small victories along the way. Example: instead of comparing your career trajectory to others, focus on your personal growth. Ask yourself, what steps can I take today to move closer to my dreams? Pro tip: break big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Celebrate each milestone as a sign of growth, no matter how small. 5. Everyone is on their own unique journey. You must remember that everyone's path is unique. What works for one person may not work for you. Life is not a race, it's a journey of self-discovery, and each step is a part of your own story. Example: if someone you know achieves success at a young age, that doesn't mean your achievements later in life are any less valuable. Timing is different for everyone. Pro tip: don't measure your life by others' standards. Define success on your own terms, based on your values and desires, not someone else's. 6. Stop seeking validation from others. A major part of comparison comes from seeking external validation. When we look to others for approval, we lose sight of who we truly are and what we want for ourselves. Example: you may compare your appearance or achievements to others because you crave acceptance or praise. The moment you stop seeking validation and start validating yourself is when true happiness begins. Pro tip: affirm yourself daily. Remind yourself of your worth and achievements, and know that you are enough, regardless of what others think. 7. Embrace your own uniqueness. What makes you unique is your greatest strength. Instead of comparing yourself to others, embrace your individuality. Everyone brings something different to the table, and that's something to be celebrated. Example: rather than comparing your career success to someone else's, recognize that your personal experiences, talents, and skills have shaped your own path. Pro tip: celebrate your uniqueness. Focus on how you can use your strengths to contribute to your goals and make an impact. 8. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Comparing yourself to others often leads to negative self-talk and feelings of inadequacy. Practicing self-compassion helps you treat yourself with love and patience. Example: when you make a mistake or fall short of your expectations, instead of being critical, remind yourself that mistakes are part of growth. Talk to yourself as you would talk to a good friend. Pro tip: practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with supportive words like, "I'm doing the best I can, and that's enough." 9. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with can greatly impact your mindset. Being around positive, supportive individuals can help you feel good about yourself and stop the cycle of comparison. Example: if you're surrounded by people who encourage you and help you grow, you'll be less likely to feel inadequate when you compare yourself to others. Pro tip: limit time with negative influences. Seek out people who uplift you and support your goals, and reduce time with those who drag you down. 10. Focus on the present moment. Living in the present moment helps you stop worrying about what others are doing and instead, focus on your own life. Mindfulness can reduce anxiety about where you should be compared to others. Example: instead of worrying about the future or what others are achieving, practice being present with what's in front of you. Focus on the tasks and relationships that matter to you right now. Pro tip: practice mindfulness or meditation for 10 to 15 minutes a day. This will help ground you in the present moment and reduce unnecessary comparisons. Conclusion and call to action. Stop comparing yourself to others and start focusing on your unique path. By practicing gratitude, embracing your individuality, and focusing on your growth, you'll find happiness and contentment. Which tip helped you the most today? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and well-being.